Rashmika, and in this video we are going to see about force. Next we have two smart learning objectives: to measure force, to analyze the types of force. To recall, in this chapter we should recall definition of force, to list out the effects of force, and how to measure a force. Many of them has been asked me how to measure the force. For them I have gave this one instrument: Newton spring balance SI unit. Newton N 1 kilogram is equal to 9.81 N. Many of them, I think so, many of them know this full form, and that's why I have given this. And next we have types of force. First, contact force, non-contact force. These two force I will give you the differentiates in next page. Next we have impact force, magnetic force, strain force, gravitational force, friction force, air resistance force, and water resistance force. And next we can go. And next we have types of force. I have told you that definition, that one, that differentiate. First, contact force, non-contact force. First we can see contact force. A contact force occurs when the object or material exerting the force touching the object or material on which the force acts. And next, non-contact force. A non-contact force occurs when the object or materials do not touch each other. There are examples of contact forces: impact force, strain force, friction, air resistance, and water resistance. And non-contact force, example, magnetic force and gravitational force. And next we have impact force. Impact force definition: when a moving object collides with a stationary object, an impact force is exerted by one object on the other. And next, strain force. Strain is simply the measure of how much an object is stretched or deformed. Strain occurs when force is applied to any object. Strain delays mostly with the change in length of the object. Mostly if we hear strain means we strains a lot, like pulling something, like giving force and pulling a lot. That is strain. And the example of it is rope or spring. We have another thing. Tension is a strain force that is exerted by a stretched spring, rope, or spring. Tension force act in the opposite direction to the pulling force. And next is learning outcome and learning outcome. I am able to measure force. We are able to measure force. And next, I am able to describe the force of types of force, and and to differentiate the contact force and non-contact force. And friends, if you have any doubt in it, you can comment me in chat box. And if you need these notes, you can see in description link. Press the description link and go through it. And if you are able to do this two things in learning outcome, you can chat this, send me in comment. Thank you, and thank you for visiting my video. Thank you. Bye.